Hi Aquarius, welcome to your weekly motivational and insightful message. Community, all about connection with kindred spirits. This card shows three women celebrating, sharing ideas, and supportive energy. The lights in the picture represent your ever-present spirit community as well. It indicates an association of some kind. It may be a casual connection of like-minded people, joining a club or community of some sort, or even a business partnership consisting of three or more entities. The time is right to make such new connections and to share intentions, whether they are personal or professional. Networking and community are important parts of the human experience, and the security and sense of connection can be beneficial to all. It's true that when several people join their intentions, it accelerates their power in the energetic realm. Receiving this card puts you on notice that the universe is sending some beneficial alliances your way. Nature's signs. Be receptive to the subtle messages from nature as you go about your day. Nature talks to us continually. We need only open our hearts and minds. Moving on to career, spiritual work. Doing some inner work can help you get clear before you move on. You will get insights into what work will best serve your needs. And when it comes to matters of the heart, a message from your person of interest states, "You and I were too young." So your person is doing some self-reflection and they believe that the initial stages of meeting or dating, maybe things didn't work out and it was because you two were so young at the time. This is what I see for you, Aquarius. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Give this video a thumb up and I will see you in the next one.